Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a fork revalve on a set of WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridges. These forks are from a 2022 GasGas MC250F. The XACT Pro cartridges were revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec. The rider is 180 pounds and an amateur rider. The fork springs are a 5.0 Newton, and we will match this with a 48 Newton millimeter shock spring in the rear. The WP XACT Pro cartridges have become very popular lately. The forks perform very well out of the box. And with some minor tuning and mods, we can make them perform even better. Right out of the box, the forks are definitely on the firm side, which is great for professional and fast, aggressive riders. But for many, it lacks the comfort that they would hope to get with this spring setup. So the JBI suspension motocross spec focuses on restoring that comfort you are looking for while still maintaining good holdup during aggressive riding and strong bottoming resistance for jumps and big impacts. Detailed information on the WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kits can be found at ridejbi.com. We will also revalve these kits and send you just the cartridges so you can install them yourself and save some money on shipping cost. We have setups developed for motocross, off-road, supercross, and all sorts of riding for these kits. So if you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give me a call or send us an email and we will get that going for you. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.